Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Nisha Bhagwat Gosavi, Assistant Professor English from Red Shikshan Samsthas, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda. Welcome to our classroom. Today I am going to discuss SYBA Compulsory English Unit 4 Vocabulary, Suffixes and Prefixes topic. So let's begin. To understand suffixes and prefixes, students, you need to understand affixation or derivation. What is mean by affixation? Affixation is the most common process of forming words by adding affixes to morphemes. Now, what is mean by morpheme? Morpheme is the smallest unit of language that has its own meaning, and all morphemes they bear a meaning. So, how is going to be the internal structure of a morpheme? That you are going to study through the two major categories of morphemes. Which are these two major categories of morphemes? Let's go through them. Free and bound morphemes. Now, to whom you are going to call as free morphemes? Morphemes that can stand alone to function as words are called free morphemes. They comprise simple words, means the simple words, small words, they are when which cannot be divided further, they are called as free morphemes. For example, the, on, well, talk, run, these are the simple words and they are called as free morphemes because they can stand alone to function as words. And words made up of one free morpheme and compound words made up of two free morphemes. Two free morphemes means combination of two simple words. For example, classroom. For example, you have bloodshed, smartphone, keyboard, greenhouse. So these are compound morphemes. Now morphemes that can only be attached to another part of a word are called bound morphemes. Means they cannot stand alone and they cannot give you complete sense of meaning if you will not add them to other words. So they are called as bound morphemes. And prefixes and suffixes, let me tell you students, they come under the category of bound morphemes. Basically they are bound morphemes. Now what is mean by prefixes and suffixes? Let's see. Now a prefix is an affix added to the beginning of other morphemes. They are called as prefix to form a word. Then suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a root word, that is called suffix. Now see here there are few example. Pre. So here is small hyphen. So here will be the word. See this example: pre-test, prerequisite. This now prefix as per our definition. The part which you are going to add at the beginning is prefix, and the part which you are going to add at the end will be called as suffix. Beautiful, unbearable, development, friendly. So these will be suffixes. So in this way, today we have done with suffixes and prefixes. In our next session, we will discuss another unit from your SYBA Compulsory English. Thank you students for listening.